When creating a video, one must first select a default language, with the option to incorporate additional languages, such as Vietnamese, to enhance accessibility for a wider audience. Choosing an artificial voice for the voiceover can significantly elevate the viewer's experience. Various options are available for customization, allowing creators to tailor the audio to their specific preferences. Incorporating relevant keywords into the video's content is essential. Such keywords not only help in effectively targeting the right audience but also improve the video's searchability across different platforms. However, searching in Vietnamese often yields limited and irrelevant information. By transitioning to English keywords, one can achieve more accurate and abundant results during online searches. Furthermore, utilizing images that are free from copyright restrictions is vital for creating effective presentations. Thoughtfully selected images can enhance the visual appeal of content without encountering legal obstacles. Creating structured paragraphs aids in effective communication. For instance, underscoring the importance of consuming at least 2 liters of water daily can significantly enhance health awareness among viewers. Adjusting voice settings within video editing software can markedly improve audio quality, ensuring a more polished final product. This feature provides the flexibility to customize audio to align with various project requirements. Moreover, the significance of reviewing exported videos cannot be overstated. This practice allows creators to identify areas for improvement and ensures that the final output adheres to established quality standards. Employing AI tools, such as ChatGPT, can significantly streamline the script creation process. This integration not only accelerates the editing workflow but also facilitates enhanced content generation and meticulous planning. The standard package provided includes 180 minutes of content on a monthly basis, featuring authentic voice options and full HD video creation. This offering makes it an invaluable choice for creators who produce content frequently. The annual video production cost of $250 is notably reasonable, particularly for professionals who generate multiple videos each week, thereby underscoring the service's affordability. Finally, a personal preference emerges regarding the software's user-friendliness and its support for Vietnamese, which renders it accessible for local creators striving for efficient video production.